What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the OnePlus is coming a step forward, like the Samsung. Here is the first information about the OnePlus 9 smartphone. OnePlus 9 has received a new code name. Coming in the video, OnePlus 9 latest features, updates, design, release date and more. Please watch full video content. The OnePlus 8T smartphone goes on sale this week. Sources are already reporting that the company is developing the OnePlus 9 series. Insider Max JMB posted on his Twitter page that the OnePlus 9 is being codenamed Lemonade. A month ago, information appeared on the XDA developers from the OnePlus is working on devices codenamed Lemonade, Lemonade T, Lemonade V, and Lemonade P. So far, we can only assume that the OnePlus 9 will be built on the basis of the flagship Snapdragon 875 single-chip system. The smartphone will receive an AMOLED display with an image refresh rate of at least 120 Hz, a charging power of at least 65 watts and an improved camera. According to another source, the OnePlus 9 will be released much earlier than expected. This makes sense as the OnePlus 8T is not a true flagship. Sources says that OnePlus plans to release the new flagship smartphone OnePlus 9 as early as March next year, rather than in April or May when the manufacturer usually announces new smartphones. The early release of the OnePlus 9 will allow the manufacturer to compete with the first Snapdragon 875 based flagships from Samsung, Xiaomi and other brands, which are expected early next year. Though rumor has it that Samsung will launch its flagship Galaxy S21 line in January. There is another reason for the imminent release of the new flagship smartphone. The fact is that the OnePlus 8T cannot be called a real flagship, and the manufacturer himself decided not to release the OnePlus 8T Pro model. Usually, OnePlus presents its numbered flagships in the spring. Other phone specifications, features, and exact price of the smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Take care of yourself very well. Peace out.